But yeah, but this system by itself is good. Out of like the three, bracelet, stone, and like elixir system is the best one. If bracelet and like stone works like elixir, it will be much better. But hey man, it is what it is. So yeah, and you can't really well it. You can't really pay to it as much anymore because like you can't really buy like the elixir unlimited. Before we move on with the video, this video is sponsored by Lagofast. Lagofast is a product that optimizes performance on applications and games with specific supports on certain games like Lost Ark or Call of Duty. This product will enable players to smoothen their game performance and minimizes lag using their routing technologies. Lagofast also comes with the features that stabilizes ping and reduce network fluctuations. It can also work like a VPN and bypasses certain problems like IP blocks if necessary. To use this product, simply visit their website and download their application. They also come with a free trial for those that are interested in it. Once the application is open, you can easily navigate through games they support and pick the platform you are at, whether it's on PC or console. Surprisingly, Lagofast also includes Lost Ark Korean server, so I can also make use of this application. Once you pick a game, you can simply set up the parameters and node and start boosting your games. To purchase and start using this product, click the link down in the description to download the application and purchase a plan for the service. Use the code Kanima and receive a 30% discount on your subscription purchase. Using this product should help you with your connection and FPS in the game. Certain games in certain regions have optimization issue and you can clearly see the difference. Lagofast can definitely help you with this issue, and setting up Lagofast is very quick and simple. Using this product, you will smoothen your gaming experience and sometimes can improve your performance by stabilizing your FPS as well. Try their free trial right now and download the application for free. Link down below in the description. And now for something completely different. Elixir system. Okay. I don't know, I have like my own first impression for like Elixir system, I guess. So yeah. Okay, it's okay man, it's not that bad. I actually think that Elixir system is not actually that bad, personally. So yeah, it's another RNG system, just like stones and like a bracelet. So maybe people won't like it. I understand why people don't like it, to be honest. But I don't think it's that bad. The system itself is much more fun to play around compared to like stone and like a bracelet, which is just pure despair game basically when you do it. Like Elixir is actually fun. So if stone and like bracelet have this kind of system, it would be more fun as well. So yeah, but in general, it's just like it is like another RNG system. The problem is not that Elixir is bad or anything. The problem is a layer RNG. You need to do stone and bracelet, then you need to do this as well. That's the most annoying part. But if you can remove like if you can remove like 2 out of 3, remove the stone and like the bracelet and keep the system, because this system is a better one. So it's more fun as well. I thought I'd hate the same from how the director first described it, but it actually looks better than the previous system. I mean, this is like so my first impression is that like this system is like, in the past 2 years, right? We've been getting system that gives us like a few percent damage here and there, 4% here, 6% there. Level 2 set, maybe 8%. You know, level 3 set, maybe like around 4%. But like this one is the one that can give you like a big boost, basically, like 10 to 20%. So pretty like major like increase right there. And it's not actually that bad because the system is fun to do. So yeah, even though it is RNG. So yeah, the best part about the system is that like when some of this option, you can reset like the elixir back to 0, and you just lose gold basically for like doing it, and you don't lose the elixir, so you can like retry. It's not guaranteed retry, but there is a chance to retry. So it's actually like not as toxic basically. Sometimes when you wanna make a 9/7 stone, you cut negative you cut 75% and you fail 3 times. It's a bust already. It's ditch, right? But it's not like a ditch like with this system, not yet. Not yet. It could be, but not yet. So yeah, elixir better than the 9/7. There is an equivalent of that. So yeah, there is an equivalent of like 9/7, 9/9, 7/7 in elixir form basically. So it is like that. But again, you know, if like let's say you wanna make a 9/7 and you fail 2 on the one that you want, that stone is a bust. But in elixir, no, because there is a chance you can reset it. So yeah, I think it's better right there. I would remind the stone bracelet RNG if it wasn't for peons. Another thing is like this thing I guess doesn't cost peons. And also this thing is actually not as pay to win as people think it is. Because apparently there's a limit. So yeah, whales can only craft 6 elixir a week. That's it. So the whales get like time gated anyway. So you can't really whale it up as well. So yeah, does elixir have any kind of price besides gold? Like you don't need to spend peons as run? No peons or anything basically. Well, you can buy it with gold, but again you can only craft 6 a week anyway. Even if you buy it, even if you whale it on right, you'll get time gated anyway. So yeah. And at the end, you can disassemble the elixir even if it sucks, and you can get like some some profit back. So yep. Do you use elixir to do the business or what? No, you use elixir to buff your armor basically. So yep. Okay. Huge gold opportunity, don't miss out. Huge profit. Yeah, doesn't that just encourage you to spend gold on the elixir when you would have gave up after 2 fails? Like if you don't get the reset, you wasted even more gold. Wait, what? Spend gold on the elixir when you would have gave up after 2 fails. Well, yeah, you spend the gold basically to try to get a reset, but basically it's not a bust, because like even if like let's say you fail everything and you don't get a reset, you can dismantle it and you can make gold back. If it's a stone, rip your peons and gold, because that stone is like basically trash already. You dismantle the stone and you get nothing out of it, right? So at least like there is a chance it could be better. So if you ask me, would I rather keep the elixir system or like the stone system? The elixir system. For now, again, it's still a first impression. So if people don't know how it works yet, I'll make a video separately later going through like the elixir and the steps, I guess. And maybe like my opinion will change in like maybe a month or 2. But this is just a first impression of the elixir system for now. So yeah, this sound better than old system. It is, yeah. I think it's a better system than like bracelet and like stone. But again, it's RNG on top of RNG. That's the problem. Not that like the system itself is bad. Okay, but yeah. But there is that. Getting battle rolls on all 6 elixirs are gonna be kinda smooch, yeah, but you can reset it. There is a potential you can reset it and like just keep doing it. Yesterday, Kimoti was doing it, right? And like we were like watching. I was watching it on like a Discord stream. He reset 3 times because like he kept getting bad stuff, but he could reset it. It's not like a bust yet, right? So that's the point right there. Okay, wonder how much you make back compared to how much you spend. I think like a third basically, but at least you get something. So yeah. Okay, you get like 25 back from this medal. Yeah. So basically, like right now in the current like week 1 like KR price to get an elixir, it costs like around 42k or something like that. If you dismantle, you get around 13k back. So at least you don't lose everything. But if you buy a stone, there is like let's say like I don't know 3,000 gold, and then like it's a bust, then it's a 0. So yeah, open mid, man. Yeah, open sesame, open mid. But yeah, you can sell elixir on auction. You can sell fragments of elixir on auction house, and people can buy it. But you cannot like craft like more than like 6 elixir a week. So basically, you cannot whale it as well. You can, but it's gonna be limited anyway. It's gonna be time gated. So yeah. Can we get good elixir with normal RNG like 6-7 so for example? Yes. That's the thing basically, Sky. Just like bracelet and stone, right? You can get like the 7-7 equivalent of it and just deal with it. It's okay. So yeah, but if you get super lucky, then you can do that. That's the thing. Have I tried it? I tried it already, but I haven't like gone too in-depth into it. Again, this is just a first impression like try, basically. Just a first impression. But yeah, it's just like a part of the elixir. Again, later I'll make like maybe like a separate video explaining like the steps, what it does, how it works, because like a lot of people still don't know like how this even do. You see like people in Korea, you see like other people like doing it, but it's not like they're explaining you like step by step what's actually happening, right? So probably like I'll make like that a separate video instead. So yep, yeah, I did already snit. Yeah, I already did the most damage. So yeah, tier 5 class by the way, XFFing bro. Yeah, if bracelet didn't exist, Elixir would have received much better. Yeah, the main problem, even though like a lot of people hate it right now, but people hate it like this is just another system. So yeah, it's like getting bracelet or getting like stone. As much as you hate it, you can still get like decent one, right? You can do the same elixir. The problem with that is that like you have to do stone, a bracelet, and elixir on top of each other. That's the main problem. So can you drink the elixir? Your mother can drink it, yeah. So yeah, so you can whale it, but you need to be Kraken to buy at that low supply. No, you cannot. you cannot finish, man. Again, you can only craft 6 a week. You can whale it and spend as much as you want, but you're gonna be limited to 6 a week anyway. And if and all of those 6 is like is a bust, then it's a bust. You can't like basically keep going on that. So you have to stop. Either way, like whale's time gated. So it's not as pay to win as I thought. But again, we don't know. We will see later once after a month or two. But yeah. If there was a repair scroll for 1 broken node in stone during cutting stones that can be used one time, 977 wouldn't be a whale item anymore, but happens. Well, there is here. There is here on this thing, Gabby Lemon. If you get like basically when you pick like this ones, for example, boss damage right there, this is a damage thing as well. Oh, but I get like a, bad like roll on this tree. And this sucks right here. So I can reset. I'll just reset it, I guess. So yeah. And you just lose gold from that. Technically it's a gold sink, so it's a gold sink. This like this thing like deletes gold like no tomorrow, so it's pretty okay, I guess. Wasn't it 10 per week? I think it was 6 a week, but yeah, it's luck to win. Yeah, well, you say luck to win, but then so is stone. Some people make 1 stone get 9/7. Luck like bypasses like gatekeeping, time gate, man. Luck bypasses it, so yeah. You get 4/5 on clear on and only craft additional 6, yeah. Race is literally fair, unlike other things in the game, just gold deletion. No, it's not like fair. I don't think it's fair, Sam. I don't think it's fair. But it's not as like, unfair as like stone or bracelet, basically, I don't think it's fair still, but it's the better option compared to like when you compare to like stone and bracelet. So yeah. 100 plus an hour, yeah. Do we like the elixir system? I like it. I think it's fun. If you're doing the elixir yourself, you'll find it like basically interesting and fun to do. But what was it? Yeah, compared to like stone and like bracelet, you know how it is. You guys have done stone. You guys have done bracelet. You know it's despair gear, right? Whenever like you're like cutting and like you're like, God damn it, man! I keep feeling 75%. So for elixir, it's more fun. So yeah, and you have some control over it because you can pick within the 3 advisor. So yeah, if you want right here, for example. So you could have. So and having some control over it is like basic like it's a good thing. So yeah, do the dust cost pounds to buy out the market? The dust? No. No. It just costs gold basically. I will Merkman. Kimoti is on like a break, so yeah. At the end of the day, even if you fail elixir, you gain gold back. Yeah, even if you fail it, you don't lose everything. So yeah. Unlike stone and bracelet. Yep. Stones are just math, no fun. Math? Stones? Excuse you, dude. Say that to your fail 75%. Math? Nah, that's just like RNG, dude. Just pure RNG on that. But yeah. But yeah. Elixir good, yeah. I don't know. It's a better system out of it, basically. Yeah, pattern recognition, man, fake, man. Well, okay, so my first impression of Elixir system is that like it's as people think basically it is like bracelet and stone, but then you have like more option, more like leeway, and like you get back even if you fail everything, you get back something in return. So it's not like all that bad. So yeah, people's complaint is that like basically the RNG, but then the RNG is actually better. So it's just that you have to do it on top of each other, on top of like bracelet and stone. That's what makes it like basically annoying. But yeah, but this system by itself is good. Out of like the 3 bracelet, stone, and like elixir system is the best one. If bracelet and like stone works like elixir, it will be much better. But hey man, it is what it is. So yeah, and you can't really whale it. You can't really pay to it as much anymore because like you can't really buy like the elixir unlimited. So that's basically like a TLDR of like my first impression of like the elixir system. Again, I'll make a video separately later to explain like how like the elixir works, so people at least understand. But in any case, that's elixir's like first impression, I guess. There is that. But anyways,